Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from one org to another in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need, or we are going through this article, which is a Salesforce article to keep you on what you need to make sure of to migrate your organization. So first, to migrate from one Salesforce organization to another, make sure to import the data from one org to another. You will need to match your metadata, so the versionings and all the other informations about your data, so you can search for the important metadata. You can also use the data loader that has also this downloading metadata, and you can insert it in another organization. Another thing to consider is for the other customization that you have in your current organization. For example, other layout or some record type, some, as you can see, the page layout, the profiles, role, anything else that you have customized in this organization, you will need to customize it in the new one. And at the end, after you ensure all this, you can start migrating and importing your data by using some ways of some methods of importing data. And basically, there are many, and one of them is to use the import. So basically, you will need first to export your data, of course, from your current organization. You can just simply go to the export, and from there you can have a data export, and then you can export all your data by exporting now and start an export. And after that, you will need to start importing your data into your new organization. And to do so, you have the basic data import wizard, data loader, and the data loader IO. So basically, as you can see, depends on the number of your records. Those are the methods that you would need. And after that, you will have your migration that will succeed. So thank you for watching and see you next time.